Hey, this Robert here again. I'm cooking again, and I got another subject for you guys in this episode. We're gonna talk about why is trading one stock such a big deal? Okay, trading one stock. Well, actually, we're not trading one stock. We're trading one ticker symbol. We're trading 500 stocks. It's the S&P 500, okay? But here's why it's such a big deal. Because you don't have to hunt for a different stock to play. And you don't have to hunt for a direction of which way the stock is gonna go, okay? We're only trading this one ticker symbol, the S&P 500. Here's another thing. When stocks come out with earnings, all 500 of these stocks are not coming out with earnings at the same time. And even if they were, they're not going to all go the same direction after earnings. So, heck yeah, it's a big deal. Better hurry up and believe it. Because when you don't have to do as much homework on different stocks, it allows you to be better at the homework you're doing on your one stock, okay? And we're not trying to do a whole lot of fundamentals on this thing. We're just looking at how it will move for that day. And we judge that based on using our crystal ball. For those that don't know what our crystal ball is, or what a crystal ball is, it's kind of like a way of seeing the future, okay? So, with the way we trade, we can't actually see the future, or at least not exact. But here's a couple of things that we do know. We do know at 3 o'clock these options expire, okay? We do know if they're out of the money, they're gonna expire worthless. If these options are out of the money, they're gonna expire worthless, okay? We do know that the average move on the S&P 500 per day is about 1%, okay? So if we're getting out 3% wider than the 1%, give us a really, really high chance of moving. Here's another thing we know. We know that on Fed days, the market has a tendency to move big. Guess what? You don't have to be a genius to know these things. All you got to do is just look at the charts. You see that it moved big on Fed days. We know that when the VIX is high, the market is going to have bigger moves. So we want to be wider. We know that when the VIX is not as high, the moves are not going to be big. So we get out early, just in case it is a big move that day. We know that when the VIX is really low, getting in on a rich man credit spread could be scary. So we trade a rich man butterfly or earn butterfly, okay? So you don't have to predict which way all these different stocks are gonna be. You just gotta learn these little tricks. And they're not even tricks, guys. This thing is out there for you to see. You learn these little things, it allows you to be consistent. What do I call consistent? Making 10% a month, okay? That's less than 1% a day. You got on average about 21 days of trading in the stock market per month. Now, because we don't trade on Fed days and, you know, different little things that come up we don't trade on these days, we got about 19. If you make 1% a day, that's way more than your 10%, okay? So you don't have to trade every day to make 10% a month. You can take days off if you want to. Go to the beach. You know, go shopping. Whatever it is you like to do, okay? Here's one thing I will say. Don't look to get a thrill out of the stock market. Find your thrill somewhere else, because when you're making 1 to 4% a day, it's probably not going to be that exciting to you. At least not in the short term. Over the long term, it can be very exciting, okay? So trading one stock is a very big deal. Very big. Okay, we look at the VIX, the expected move. We look at what the average move is per day. We see what the news is coming out that day, so it can help us to predict what kind of move is going to be in the market that day. Now, all we're trying to predict is the move. We're not trying to predict the direction of the move. That we can care less about. So anyway, guys, just want to give y'all this little quick tidbit. Had a question to come up saying why you don't trade more stocks. You can make more money. We're not trying to make more money. We're just trying to make the money that we make consistently. More money will come in time. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and then tell other people about our channel. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers per year. That was my goal. I'm running a little shy, way shy, to be honest with you. But I'm not worried about it. As long as I get the message out to people that want to hear it, okay? That's all I'm trying to do, because there's a lot of people that need this thing, okay? There's a whole lot of people want the freedom that trading can give them. And that's all I'm trying to do, help them to get it. So until next time, guys, keep it slow, and I'll hit you later. Peace out.